loud music is different from boy races, like totally different. The difference with us and boy races is that we like to come to like one spot and we just like chill, and like that's how we like meet new people, meet new friends. We are like a bunch of Pacific Islanders. We just come out here because we like playing loud music. We didn't purposely like annoy people, but it's just what we grew up with, and from generations passing down to us, and just us passing down to the next generation.